Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a video that some of you have been asking me for, and I finally got around to putting it together. And that is how I style my haircut. And a lot of people still say, oh, I like your new haircut. Well, I've had it since April and it is now the end of September, so it doesn't feel like a new hairstyle to me anymore, but I guess it still looks or seems new to you guys. So today I'm gonna go through a very basic look at what I do to style my hair. This is what I do most days. First, I'm gonna let you in on a couple of secrets about my hairstyle and styling, and they are, number one, you've got to have a great stylist. I have seen some people with short, pixie or pixie bob haircuts that are very choppy and just don't look great. So to pull off this kind of look, shorter hair is actually harder to cut than long hair. Less room for mistake the shorter the hair is. So you've got to find someone who is excellent at cutting hair and is comfortable with cutting styles like this. And so my cut is the greatest asset I have and what gives me the ease to style it that I do, because I have a really good haircut. I have a lot of texturizing in here. After she cuts the shape into it, then she goes back in and she texturizes. She goes underneath here and cuts some short pieces, and that's what helps give me a lot of this lift and volume that you see. Number two secret is using great products. You can't have great looking hair of any style unless you're using the right kind of products and good quality products. And I will go over what I use in this video. Now, just to let you know what kind of hair I have, because that makes a big difference too. My hair is rather fine. It didn't used to be. I used to have really thick, wonderful hair, and just with age and hormones and everything else, the texture of my hair has changed and it is a lot more fine. However, my hair does have a lot of body, and it always has. It takes curl easily because I've got some natural wave in it, and I do have a good bit of hair. It's not near as thick as it used to be, but I still have, a good head of hair. All of that to say, you could go and get this exact same haircut and it might not look like this. That's just my disclaimer. So when I wash my hair, I put it up in one of those microfiber Turby Twist towels for just a few minutes, and then as soon as I take it out, the first step I do is I put in my heat protectant / defrizzing agent, whatever I'm going to use. There's a couple that I kind of rotate back and forth between. The one I use most often is this one by Hairstyle. It's called the Resistance Serum Therapiste. So it's kind of pre-measured, so I just do one pump and it comes out in two different consistencies, and you have to mix those together in your hand. And then I focus that on my bangs and on this area here closest to my face, because those are the areas that get worked the most in styling and with the blow dryer and everything, and those areas tend to dry out the fastest. And then with what's left on my hands after I do that, I just rub it through the rest of my hair kind of as a defrizzing serum. The next step is adding something to give my roots a lift, and for that I use this product by RAKUTEN. It's called Root Lifter, and it used to be called Guts. It still says Guts down here, but they've rebranded all their products to these new names for some reason. But it's called Root Lifter in this green can. My hairdresser is skilled enough that she can spray it directly on the roots and then rub it in. I always make a mess when I try to do that, and I end up with it on the wall and everywhere because it comes out very forcefully, and it comes out kind of in a mousse-like consistency. So what I do is I spray a little bit of it in my hands, and then I go in and rub this at my roots, and I do that a few times. I'll spray it in my hands, rub it together, and then go in and rub it at my roots, and that helps to really lift and give you a lot of volume at the root. And then next I'll put some kind of styling product on just the rest of my hair. And it doesn't take much at all because I don't have that much hair. And again, I kind of alternate between products depending on what's going on. Today I'm using this is the 6-in-1 styler from Virtue, and a very little bit of this goes a long way, but it says it shines, texturizes, protects all in one. So it gives some additional heat protectant. I do see a difference when I use this Virtue styling cream that my hair seems a lot shinier. So it does add shine, but I can't use very much of it or it will tend to weigh my hair down. So I use it very sparingly. Another product that I really use and is really great for a volume boost throughout the rest of my hair is this product. This is by the brand It's a 10, and it's called the Miracle Blow Dry Volumizer. I use this just, you know, when I feel like it for one thing, but if it's a very humid day, I find that it really helps to smooth out my hair and smooth out those waves and curls that I have and make my hair more manageable, and I can really get my style in it when I blow dry it. So those are the products that I'm loving right now. I start by rubbing the Hairstyle serum between my hands and then rubbing it through my hair, concentrating on these front sections around my face. Then I take the Redken root lifter and put it at the roots only, and then kind of rub it into the roots, and that really, you know, makes my hair stand up on its own. Then I go in with a little bit of that 6-in-1 styling cream from Virtue and spread it through the rest of my hair. And you can see that without doing anything, my hair is pretty much in the style and in the shape that it's gonna be in, and I haven't even touched it with a hairdryer. That's because I have a great haircut. So then I start just drying it, rough drying it with my hands, and I just run the dryer all over, and I kind of take my fingers and run it through my hair, and I pull it away from my scalp and try to direct the heat toward the roots to really get that lift and get it standing up and fluffed up off my scalp. And when my hair is about 80% dry, then I'll get my brush and I'll start doing little sections. And with any hairstyle, if you are trying to add volume, the secret to that is over directing your hair. And what I mean by that is pulling your hair the opposite direction that you want it to go. I mean, it's the same idea as, you know, if you have long hair, flipping it over and drying it from underneath. That's going to give you a lot more volume than just drying it the way it hangs. So when you have short hair like this, you have to, you know, use some tools to do that. So I have my round brush, and this is just a medium-sized round brush I got at Ulta. I section off my hair, and I start pulling it up and away from my scalp in the opposite direction of where it's going to ultimately fall. And I do that all around my head on both sides, and sometimes I do, you know, start in the back and like just brush everything forward and then go back and pull it. And I have to do that with my hair to pull the curl out because I do have these waves and curls up here, and if I didn't do that, my bangs would be all woo. So I have to get that brush in there and get that heat on it to smooth my hair out. Otherwise, it would be very wavy and unruly. So I just proceed all around my head doing that with a round brush and pulling the hair in the opposite direction. I focus at the roots and then pull through the ends. I do it all around my head, and then when I'm done, this is pretty much what you've got. And yes, I could go in there with a flat iron and smooth out some pieces, or, you know, if I wanted more volume in the back, I could, you know, do a little back combing back there or put in those Velcro rollers for a few minutes. But for most days, this is it. This is all I do. And that process takes me from start to finish like 8 minutes. Putting the product in and drying my hair, boom, I'm done. So that's what I love about this haircut. It just cuts down on your getting ready time so much. And you can see here today, this is second day hair. I actually filmed the drying portion yesterday. So today, I haven't really done anything to it. I haven't used anything. I've just, you know, gone back through and kind of refluffed it a little bit. And one product that is great for adding volume and just a little bit more tooth and grit to your hair so it will hold shape and hold that volume is this powder by Amika, and this is called Vandal. And I know you've seen these powder grips before, some different brands make them, and with most of them you sprinkle it out in your hand and it's a powder, and then you rub it into your hair, into your roots. What is so cool about this one from Amika is it has this little pump, and the stuff comes out, I don't know if you can see it, in a little poof. Did you see that? So you can put it exactly where you want it instead of getting this powder all over the place. So you just I go in with this stuff and I'll spray some in here, and it just gives you that extra tooth and lift to your hair that you can really, you know, jack it up and make it full and give it a lot of volume. And the great thing about that is if your hair does settle down during the day, you can just put your fingers back in there and refluff it and it'll stick again. So it really lasts a long time. You just have to use it sparingly because it can build up in your hair and make it feel kind of gritty. So start using this very sparingly and then work your hair up. And I think I've probably made mine look crazy just by manhandling it and talking to you during this video. But that is how I style my hair. I hope that this is helpful. And also, I hear a lot of comments from women on my channel saying, oh, your hair is so cute. I could never wear my hair like that. I wish I could. Or, I love your hairstyle. It's so cute. But my husband would never let me cut my hair that short. And that just makes me so sad to hear phrases like that or comments like that on my channel, because my question is, what's holding you back? It's just hair. It will grow. I've had my hair so many ways over the years, so many styles, some good, some bad, but I've never been afraid to experiment with my hair. It's fun. It's fun to try new things. And I think that's really important to keep us looking fresh and feeling fresh and just rejuvenated. You know, there's nothing like a new haircut to put a little bounce or spring in your step and make you feel a little sassy and more stylish. So don't be afraid to try a different haircut. It doesn't have to be mine, but don't be afraid to try something new. It's only hair. It'll grow back if you don't like it. And then the ones who say, oh, my husband doesn't like short hair, or my husband would kill me if I cut my hair off, things like that. That makes me sad too. And I'm fortunate that I have a husband who loves me for me and not what my hair looks like, because God knows it's changed enough since I've been married to him. He knows that if he doesn't like my hairstyle, all he has to do is wait a little while and it'll be different again. So if your husband doesn't want you to cut your hair or change it, I would ask him if he's going to style it for me. And if his answer is no, then I don't think he has any business telling you what to do or not to do with your hair. But that's just my opinion. So all the products that I use, I will put those down in the description. And here's a little hint. Virtue and Kerastase are mainly found in salons. You can buy their products from Sephora, but they may not carry everything. I know my store doesn't. You can look online. But I order direct from the company, and there's two reasons I do that, both with Virtue and Kerastase. Number one, they ship really fast, and number two, you earn points. So the more you spend, you know, they send you little gifts. They let you pick out premium size samples. You know, with Kerastase they do. You know, they always let you pick out a sample or two, and same with Virtue. And Virtue has a lot of products that you can order from their website that come in travel sizes. And that's so nice because you can get a smaller quantity of something and try it and see if you like it before you spend more money on a big size, only to find out that you don't really like it. So that's the nice thing about the Virtue website. And Kerastase, you earn those points and you get the great free gifts. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. And until I see you in my next video, have a stylish day. Bye.